How to install Comet Navigator, the AI browser that beats Chrome. Get ready to browse smarter, because today I'm walking you through the simple process of installing Comet Navigator, the browser that uses Perplexity AI to give you instant answers and finally break your Chrome habit. Alright, let's get started. First, head over to perplexity.ai/comet. Click on the Download Comet button, then sign in using your Google account. Next, click Continue, confirm your account, and select your plan. I'm choosing the free plan, so I'll click Continue with Free. Now, click on Download for Windows. You'll notice the download starts automatically, just wait for it to complete. Once the download is finished, open the exe file and start the installation. When the setup is done, click Launch Comet. And here it is, the first interface of Comet Navigator. Click Start, choose your current browser to import your data, and enter your username. That's it. You're all set to explore and enjoy your new AI-powered browser faster, smarter, and designed to save you time while you search. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. See you soon.